Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest updates and insights from the world of automobiles. In today's video, we have some exciting news about Hyundai's popular SUV, the Palisade. So let's dive right in. Hyundai introduced the Palisade in November 2018 at the Los Angeles Auto Show and gave its large SUV a facelift in April 2022 at the New York Auto Show. A new version of the Palisade, called the second-generation model and referred to as LX3, is reportedly in the works, according to South Korean outlet ET News. It is expected that mass production of the new model will start in January 2025, 2 months later than originally planned due to a project reassessment. The upcoming Palisade is believed to be built on a different platform, which will result in a longer wheelbase compared to the current model. The current model has a wheelbase of 196.7 inches, 4,995 millimeters, between the axles. Additionally, Hyundai plans to electrify its big SUV by offering a 2.5-liter gasoline hybrid powertrain, as stricter emissions regulations are causing the discontinuation of the 2.2-liter diesel engine in markets where the large family vehicle is sold with the CRDI engine. ET News reports that Hyundai intends to replace the naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6 with a smaller turbocharged 3.5-liter unit in the next-generation Palisade. This change is expected to result in a more efficient engine with potentially more power than the current GDI engine, which offers 291 horsepower and 262 lb-ft, 355 nanometers, of torque. The next Palisade is not expected to have a fully electric version, as that role will be fulfilled by the upcoming Ioniq 7, which has been previewed by the 7 concept. It is likely that the mechanically related Kia Telluride will undergo similar changes. However, it is also unlikely to have an electric version since an electric variant would overlap with the already revealed EV9. Hyundai's luxury division Genesis is reportedly working on a luxurious version of the Ioniq 7 and EV9, which may be named the GV90. According to the same report, Hyundai plans to equip the new Palisade with a Level 3 self-driving system and extensive support for over-the-air updates to enhance the SUV's features after purchase. After its launch in South Korea in early 2025, the 3-row family vehicle is rumored to arrive in the United States in June of the same year, potentially as a 2026 model year vehicle. And that concludes our exciting update on the next-generation Hyundai Palisade. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more automotive news. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more updates.